Hello guys, what do you have?
बनारसी खस्ता कचौड़ी
How much? 20 rupees?
10 रुपीज पीस, 10 रुपये का 1 पीस।
Okay.
हाँ, ये आप लोग के लिए नो मनी।
No, it's okay, it's okay.
नहीं 1 पीस खाना पड़ेगा।
No, it's okay.
1 पीस खाना पड़ेगा यहाँ।
No, don't.
नो का
No, I cannot eat it.
1 पीस खाना पड़ेगा, खाओ
Okay.
खाइए।
No, it's okay, it's okay.
कम यार
Brother. No.
बेकार हमारा न खराब होने पर बढ़िए।
Brother.
हाँ,
Come sit. Come. So, let's see how spicy is this. Let's try. It's actually very good. Thank you. How much is it?
हाँ,
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
वाटर मंगवाए?
No. How much? Money. How much? Money.
नो मनी।
No.
No,
No, brother, I pay.
I know.
No?
I'm friend.
Thank you. You are very nice. You are very kind. Thank you. But but this is sweet?
Sweet.
Ah, yeah. No, I don't.
Maybe round.
No. I don't want. No.
Okay.
I just asked. It's 100.
Chill.
No. Take it, please.
No.
No, please.
No, मैं नहीं ले सकता।
No, brother, take it.
I'm friend.
I
तो
know.
no money।
Okay. Thanks for food again. Bye.
फिर आना। Come back.
I come back. Yes, I come back. Thank you. Wow, I'm really impressed. It's the real hospitality of Indians. Amazing.